Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the appointment booking system. As you guys have known, we've done a lot of updates to the platform over the last 12 to 18 months, and we have updated this feature as well. So the old system was a little different as far as the UI goes. The functionality is essentially the same. It's just a little different, different framework and a little more updated UI on the back office. So just going to quickly take a look at the functionality here. So we've got your dashboard when you click on your appointment booking feature. You've got your schedule. You can create your, it can be weekly or monthly here, over here. You can jump to a specific week. You can choose specific employees, and you can print the schedule as well. So I'm going to just go through some of the basic setup options here. Bookings, you can see your bookings here if you have bookings on a calendar. You can export them. Here's where you set up your services. So I've set up a couple here. You've got haircut and your service test, and then you've got your employees. So you can just basically click add an employee. I'm going to put myself here. And then you choose what services this employee is able to do. So I'll give myself new service and haircut. Put my email here. Okay, create a password. Okay, I'll use a different email. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, put my phone number. Okay, company name I want to, and then I can put any bio information. Bio info goes here, and a picture as well. So I'll grab an avatar here, and then you can set up the SMS functionality as well. I'm not going to get into that today, but you need to have a Twilio account obviously for that. I'm going to hit save. Invalid password. So 8 digits here. Must contain letters only. Okay, my bad. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, there we go. So now we've created a secondary employee. I've added the different features that the services that they can perform. And then let's continue on. So you've got your reports over here. You can see reports on employees. You can, all that stuff. And you can see reports on services, what the best services you've got. You've got options here. You can set up your options for your bookings. So you can see what we've got here is step in minutes. What this means is the booking calendar will show every 30 minutes. So like availabilities for 9, 9:30, 10. If you went 15 minutes, it would show 9, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, etc. Default status for bookings that are paid. So obviously, if it's paid, it's confirmed. Default status. These are all pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through every single one, but you can they're pretty straightforward. Accept bookings X amount of hours before start time. This is so you can. So if it's 9 o'clock in the morning right now with this setup, you can only book an appointment for 11 o'clock and later. You wouldn't be able to book an appointment for 9:30, for example, if it was 9 a.m. because you need two-hour lead time. And again, same thing. So. For the cancellations, you can go here. This is to accept bookings 60 days in advance. Again, all of these things are pretty straightforward. If you want to collect a deposit, if your tax and all that kind of stuff is here. You can also disable payments if you just want to do bookings. That's an option. Let's go. What else we've got? So we've got payment gateways here. Payment gateways that it comes with out of the box, cash, and all of these. Pretty straightforward. Booking form. So this is when they're booking on the web version. The app version it's pretty straightforward. You have a web version here. So if I click this, the front end link, and then this is the front end link for your employees. So here's the front end link, what this looks like. Okay, I can select browse by services or by staff. I can make an appointment with Ali. I can choose a service here, and then I can pick a time slot. He's available. Book the slot and check out. And these are the fields of information that you would see over here, right? So you can ask for name, email, phone number. These are all things that you can manage. It's pretty straightforward to it's what you want. Don't need country, state, don't need zip code, don't need city, don't need CAPTCHA, you don't want terms. No. Okay, so save that. That is where we. Booking form. Okay, so that was the booking form. Again, there's the next thing is email notification. So this is something you definitely need to set up. These are the triggers. So these are the emails going to the email going to client, administrator, and employee. And you could set up, send this message, give it a name, new booking received, for example. Here are all the placeholders you can copy and put into your message. This would go to the client. This would go to the admins of the app. So if a new booking came in, they would know a booking came in. And the employee, same deal. And you can send each these different types of emails. So for the administrators, can get 3 emails: confirmation email, payment confirmation, and cancellation email. Clients, same thing: confirmation email, payment confirmation, and cancellation. And the employees also have the same feature. So you can set up 3 different emails for each user type here. What else have we got here? So we've got your terms and conditions, pretty straightforward. A reminder, you can set up reminder emails to go out, 10 hours before, 5 hours before, whatever you want. Put the hours amount here, the subject here, and then the information, the email in the information that's going out in the email. Working times. So this is when the business would be open. You can set working times. Select the day, from and to. Pretty straightforward. And then you got your system options. You've got your general settings here. Date format, time format. All straightforward. Email settings. It's pretty straightforward. You can use your SNTP, put all your email information here, and it will send emails directly from the platform. Any other questions or feedback, please let us know. One thing before I go, you've got, like I said, the front end links at the bottom of the screen here. I showed you what the front end looks like for the user. The front end link for the staff is here. Okay, and they would basically log in, same kind of thing, and they log in with their credentials, and they'd have access to their calendar. That's it again. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, please let us know.